Hey guys, Brittany Lowell with Keller Williams Realty. It's November 29th, 2015. I'm here at 7562 Banet Road, Floyds Knobs, Indiana. From 1 to 3, I'm hosting an open house. I'd love if you come out here, take a tour of this gorgeous home. I'd love to show you a couple features about it that I absolutely love. Got a wonderful front porch. The home's listed at 3049. It's got 3 bedrooms downstairs, a 4th bedroom upstairs, unfinished walkout basement, a little over 2,700 square feet total. We've got gorgeous views front and back of the home. All this great patio furniture out here on the front porch. This all will stay with the property. You should come in and check out this foyer here. It's a beautiful open foyer area with natural hardwood floors. You got lots of storage space in this home. Open living room with vaulted ceilings. Views to the rolling hills, the Floyds Knobs behind you. You got a loft area upstairs. It's overlooking your living room. Great open kitchen. This kitchen has an eat-in breakfast area, hardwood floors. Lots of cabinet space. Kitchen island, all the appliances stay. You do have a separate pantry as well. Here's your laundry area. Your laundry area does connect to your garage. That's your two car attached garage. Basement leads down right here. This goes to your unfinished walkout basement. We've got a great master suite. It's a continuation of the vaulted ceilings. Beautiful views of the countryside. His and her closet space. A great master bath. It truly is a master suite. You've got the double vanities, separate shower, toilet area, great spa tub. This does have a pocket door for privacy. Got a guest bath down here. Lots of cabinet space, countertop space. These are your 2 guest bedrooms downstairs. Lots of space in here again. This house has tons of storage space. It's great for a growing family. It's an award-winning school district. I want to take you upstairs, see that loft area. I can just imagine you having your family gatherings here. In recent holidays, everyone's families are growing. You gotta have more space for everybody. This is your 4th bedroom. Nice big open bedroom. It's got a great size closet in it. Lots of storage space. It's very nicely organized for a teenager. You've got to be impressed. Let's go downstairs. I want to show you the outback space, the wonderful deck and koi pond. Again, this house is 2,700 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Listed at 3049. I'm not for sure you can build a house like this for that much. It'd certainly be tough. We'll come out here. Just look at that view. There's wildlife that you see roaming through. Got a little squirrel jumping out there. A lot of times you can see deer and lots of beautiful birds. We got a beautiful koi pond. Great deck area. You got the master bedroom that leads off to this deck as well. Lots of yard space. Got a little over an acre of land. 3-car detached garage. It's fun to put all your toys and stuff in. You got 4-wheelers, lawn mowers, boats, extra cars. This yard is beautiful. You're perched up on this hill, but you do have a lot of flat space. Great spot for a pool here. Here's your walkout basement. Well, that's most of the house here. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, tour this home. If you have any questions, feel free to call me at 502-905-4298. Be happy to give you a private tour, give you directions on how to get here. I'll be here until 3 o'clock today. Again, the home's listed at 304-975-62 Banet Road, Floyds Knobs, Indiana. Thank you. Have a great day.